Today I am going to talk about the assignment operators in Python, right? So you don't know about it, you just see this video, right? So this is the simple way to describe the assignment operators, right? So first, what are assignment operators in Python, right? So assignment operators are used to assign values. Assignment operators are used to assign values to variables and update their values in a shorter and more efficient way, right? This is the definition of what the assignment operators. So these there are 8 parts of assignment operators, right? So this is the first one, this is the second one, right? And we have discussed each with the example, right? So now in why do we use assignment operators in Python? Assignment operators are used to update variable values with less code, right? Making programs shorter, right? Cleaner and easier to read. That is why we are going to use assignment operators in Python, right? So now we will discuss each part of assignment operator, right? So first one we will discuss about assign only equal sign, right? Definition: assigns a value to a variable, right? Suppose we have a x is equal to 6. Now this is the variable x in which we have assigned the value integer 6, right? So you can assign the multiple variable with different values, right? 7, right? T is equal to 9. So these are the variables x, y, t, and we have assigned. We are going to assigning the value 6, 7, and 9, right? Now you can print these values, right? Print on the screen x, comma y, comma t, right? So now I will run this program and you will get what? 6, 7, and 9, right? So that is why we are going to use this assignment operator, right? Assign operator. In the second one, add and assign plus equal sign, right? So what is that? Adds a value to the variable and store the result in the same variable, right? Adds a value to the variable and store the result in the same variable. Suppose we have x is equal to 6, right? Now I want to add 6 in the same variable. I will write space plus sign is equal to 5. Sorry, 5. You can write like this way or you can write like this way. X is equal to x plus 5, right? Now x is equal to 6 will come over here, right? X is equal to 6 plus 5, you will get 10, right? Now I want to print on the screen, you will get what? X. So this is the add and assigning the operator, right? So in the next we will talk about subtract and assigning operator, right? सारों के साथ असाइनिंग जरूर होगा, प्लस के साथ, माइनस के साथ, डिवीजन के साथ, राइट? तो अब हमारे पास है सेम वैल्यू, जस्ट यू हैव टू चेंज द साइन ओनली, राइट? सपोज x is equal to 5, x is equal to 6, x plus, over here we will change the only sign, right? You can change sign only and print the x, you will get what? The output 1, right? Now the fourth one is multiply and assigning the operator. Multiplies the variables by value and store the result in the same variable. We have the same variable. You can store the different variable as well. Now x is equal to 5, right? And y is equal to 7, right? X is equal to minus is equal to y, right? Print x, right? This is the method you can use the different variable as well, right? In the assignment operators, right? So now we have a multiply and assigning operator, right? In the same example, you can just change the only sign, right? Multiplication. For here, we will change the multiplication sign. So this is what we call is a multiply and assigning operator, right? Now in the next, we will see the divide and assigning, right? With the same variable, right? We will use over here what? The division equal sign. Now we will use the d1 over here, right? So this is the output 1.2, right? We can use the different variables as well, right? So in the six, float divide and assigning operator, right? Performs float division and store this result in the same variable. This statement is only same, only change this statement, right? So now we will use the control V and we will use over here the float division, right? Over here we will use the float division. We will run this program, we'll get 1, right? In the 7, we will use what? The modulus and assigning operator, right? So we find the remainder and store in the same variable, right? Modulus will find the remainder. Now we have an example, just we have changed the sign only. We will use the modulus sign, right? Then after we will give the modulus sign only. Now print this output on the screen. This is the one output, right? Now in the last we have exponent and assigning operator. Raises the variable to a power and store the result in the same variable. So we have the same value, right? We will use the double static, right? Then after we will use what? The double static, right? Now we will print on the screen, you will get 776, right? Now you can use the different variables as well, right? Suppose we have, right? So we will, and we will use the equal sign, right? Then after I will use the double static, right? So this is 7 8 1 20 20, right? So this is all about the assignment operators in Python, right? If you are new on my YouTube channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.